everyone, in front of me I've got the DOOGEE S40 and let me share with you how to update apps on this device. So first of all, before we will start the whole operation, make sure that you've got the internet connection and you can use the Wi-Fi or mobile data, but I highly recommend to use the Wi-Fi. So after checking it, we can enter the Play Store. So let's tap on it. And if you're signed in, then all you have to do is to simply tap on this three bars icon in the left upper corner and enter My Apps and Games. Now let's wait a second, and after scrolling down you can see the whole list of all updates pending. And of course, if you want to, you can update all of those apps just by tapping on this green button next to the updates pending. But if you'd like to update only one of it or two of them, then of course you can just find it in the list and tap on update right next to it. As you can see, it immediately disappears from the list, but it appears at the very top of the list. Right now it is downloading, and after that it will be successfully installed and automatically updated, so you do not need to do anything. So actually this is it. This is how to update apps in your DOOGEE S40. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.